Hello, Robert Gluck here. Welcome to This Week in the Law. It's February 25th, 2011. This week we're talking about personal injury claims and in particular slip and fall claims. If you get hurt on someone else's property, you have the burden of proving that they either knew or should have known of the dangerous condition that caused you to get hurt. Simply saying I got hurt on their property is not enough for their insurance carrier to be obligated to pay any of your bills. This is a major misconception people have. A lawyer's job, if you come to a lawyer for a personal injury case involving a slip and fall, the lawyer's job is going to be to ask you the right questions to be able to investigate the accident, to be able to determine if he can prove whether the condition had existed for a long enough period of time that the property owner should have known about it. That's going to be the key to these cases. It's not a straightforward thing, and you need a lawyer that's been handling these cases for years, who's come across the many different scenarios that arise, so that the lawyer can come up with whatever arguments are necessary to persuade the insurance adjuster to cover your claim. You're entitled to out-of-pocket medical expenses and pain and suffering and any other economic damages that you have if you could prove that the property was not maintained in a reasonably safe manner. There are many, many factors that go into that. Lighting, prior notice of claims. Experts can be hired to do tests to determine how dangerous a particular floor was, for example. And those are among some of the things that a lawyer looks into for you. But just don't assume that if you get hurt on someone's property, it's an automatic payment for you, because that's just not the way that it is. The lawyer's going to have to fight for you to get a fair result. Thank you, and think about that and make sure you get a lawyer to represent you before you go forward dealing with an adjuster or dealing with a defendant that you feel is responsible for your injuries. Thank you, good luck, and have a great week, everyone.